I saw lightning. Here comes thunder. I caught that lightning strike. That shook the whole house. Did I see lightning? I think I did. Yep. Creepy thunder. Creepy. Let me block the camera and see if it's recording. Yep, I caught all that on video. All of it. Wow. I saw it over there. Oh! Okay, I'm recording now. That was some deep thunder. Creepy thunder, then a lightning bolt the next. Whoa! That was closer. Wow. Whoa! Oh my gosh. Look out. Whoa! Okay, there's gotta be a tornado somewhere. Oh shoot! Oh, I seen the bolt. That was the closest one. I'm not gonna leave. Me either. Whoa! You cannot leave. You're not leaving. We. Whoa! I'm not gonna leave. Me either.
See what I mean? I told you we cannot leave.
We're not leaving, actually. We. No, which way?
I don't know.
Whoa! I don't trust this thing. Me too.
I don't like it.
What? They're gonna follow. Whoa!
go down.
Temperature?
Whoa!
We're walking too slow.
Exactly.
Oh, I just stepped in the most biggest puddle ever.
Yes, and it flooded my feet. But that's not something we should worry about.
We should worry about this lightning. That's the thing we should worry about.
This is amazing, though. But still, I'm